Hey, what's up? Techsavvy here. Got a little tutorial of StreamElements. It is a streaming service that you can use for alerts, bots, revenues, etc. and so forth. I'm going to go over a little bit. This is main website, StreamElements.com. Their main website, and log in with Twitch or YouTube. Twitch has a little bit more features because Twitch was on here first. YouTube features are rolling out, but you got their blog, Dream Team, which is essentially a partner program. Once you get 20,000 followers on Twitch, 20,000 subs on YouTube, and then other 3 requirements, you get a lot of cool stuff, swag, hoodies, gear, personalized design, so you can choose between an overlay, this and that, account manager, Discord channel. So a lot of cool stuff. So they even hook you up with stuff to give away. So they're hooking your channel up since you're part of theirs. So on here you can just log in. I am already logged in. Choose like I said, Twitch or YouTube, since I do YouTube for 95% of everything. So I'm gonna do. Right here is the main page. This is the dashboard. Basically an overview of set up a chat bot, set up tips, add overlays, create your own overlays, which is pretty cool. And you can import other tools and learn more sections, and then they're highlighted as you can see, like get paid, import I have not done, activate and add I have because they're grayed out. And if you scroll down a little bit, also I have a Discord community, so if you need help with anything, it's a very great Discord server, and you can actually look at all your stats right here. So for instance, this is filtered by month. You can do year, week, day. So for May, I got 67 subscribers, so I don't have tips enabled. I click subscribers. I had to load for a second, but this is for year as I changed the filter. So we got for May 67. This will just show for the year, but monthly. So kind of kill 2 birds, 1 stone. 67, 44. That's that. Sponsors, I don't have any. Super chats, I have not enabled, even though I have hit over 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to everyone, as I said. You have a bot right here, which you can set up. Very easy. Mine's already in there. You can mute it if you want. It's very simple. Just click mute. It'll mute it. Count and amount. Filters. That was taking a second to load. Then you have basically your recent events. So this guy, he subscribed to my channel 4 hours ago. Same with these people. Subscribed. If your light and dark themes bit bright on my eyes. You can also import stuff from, Streamlabs, which another service, Nightbot, which is a bot, Tippy Stream, which I'm not too familiar with, but I know they have to do with tips and basically donations, and then other. Your themes gallery, which is actually pretty cool. They have, which are called super themes. So you have either static or animated ones. See, like this is animated, static or just still. They actually have each scene, so be right back, intros, your main scene with all, donations, this and that. So I'm going to show you guys themes. These are here by default. Alerts, these are recently added ones, so you can preview what they look like. If you like them, add them. Get to that, but you would just click create. I'm going to type in blue since I like blue. Preview this. You got your main overlay. Talk scene, so want to just hang out for a second, this, that, and then you still have your game scene starting soon with a countdown, which everything is customizable, basically to the fullest extent. Colors, I mean everything, or straight from scratch. Stream ended and all that. Click create. Put test blue. And if you want in OBS, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people are familiar with, you can just add these in sources. They have to be added as browser sources because you're adding it from a website. But I want to see all of them. So right here, you can see each one. Launch overlay. Edit the overlay. Then remove. It'll just remove this scene. And you can duplicate these scenes. So I want to duplicate it and then mess with one, so that way you still have the original without messing something up. You can import overlays and create a blank one. So that in a second. There's a lot of stuff you can do. I'm not going to go fully into it, but overlay editor, I can show you from here. This is everything right here. What you can do, hit the screen so it's a lot easier to see, which this is StreamElements event list, which is you're about to see disappear, the blue, my bottom left of the screen. I click layers, I can mess with each individual one. I'm actually going to minimize this and set off a subscriber, and you'll see comes up. Shark, it's actually the default. You have, I believe, it is 1 gigabyte of data that you can use to upload your own stuff, such as sounds, images. Show you guys positions, opacity, literally everything. As you can see, the green is just there to help you as a guide. It is transparent. And say if you had one with a game background, you can actually lower the opacity of the game background so you can fit everything so it doesn't block anything crucial to the game, etc. and so forth. And it automatically puts all your I don't have any super chats, like I said, or tips set up, so see nothing there. There's my name, sponsors, as I said before, the recent subscriber, and then you can fill out your stuff down here. Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, Stream, Facebook, and you would just find it. Or you can actually just click on it and message YouTube. I would just put in Techsavvy Gaming, which is a bit long. This one, the Techsavvy. Again, still a bit long, but you can adjust that with position and all that. Unlock it, or just toggle the visibility off. And then when you're done, you click save. And what is cool is these are all in the cloud. So once you click save, or excuse me, once you click launch, grab your overlay right here. And if you stream in 1920, essentially whatever your base resolution is, that's what you want to add this in as your browser source. By default, it is by 800 by 600 in OBS Studio. So they have OBS.live, which is a plugin to OBS Studio, which I will cover in another video. But what's cool is once you add your overlay, anything you're doing here, once you save it, it is automatically done over in OBS. So you don't have to go back and forth from copying things, which is pretty nice. And just for instance, if you're creating your own overlay, nothing would be here. You would just see a blank canvas of green. You can click widgets up here and all your widgets. They have well over probably 20 of them. Latest tipper, member, basically all your stream labels, their category titles are right here. Static, so images, videos, rotator slideshows, seasonal ones. So for instance, they have Easter egg, excellent Easter decorations right now. Pretty cool. So all this is very neat. Data, You can actually customize what it will say to people if you have any goals set up. Session data. So, for instance, say if I were to stream or the last, if I reset it, it goes to 0, but it'll show the last tippers, super chatters, which again I do not have set up. I haven't not enabled those yet. You can also insert videos and images, and this is what I was talking about with the 1 gigabyte of data they allow. Like set image, you get 1,000 megabytes or 1 gig to upload images, sounds, and videos. You can find those. GIFs also. Anything with these file formats: PNG, GIF, JPEG, JPG, MP3, AAC, WAV, OGG, and WebM. You just drag and drop in here. And it basically covers that. Again, just launch it and then you would get your link, put in OBS as a source. Here. And then for your activity feed, basically what we've seen on the main page. Latest subscribers. Pop this out, and if you wanted, you can actually add this into OBS again as a browser source so you can show right on stream, like how I have my event list. You'll see come up in a moment. Or when I stream, how I have my chat embedded. So you can do that. Pause your alerts, skip your alerts, mute your alerts so you don't hear them, and then reload any overlays so that your alerts re-show. You can also see the leaderboard, monthly, weekly, all time, etc. Reset session data. That way it'll basically reset everything. Profile page. This is actually very cool. You can actually, someone tips you, it'll basically take you to your own streaming page. I'll actually open mine, but first you can add all your social media, website, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Discord, and save it. You can customize it. I haven't done mine because again, I just got the ability to accept super chats and stuff on YouTube. But let's open it, and this is what people would see. You guys are actually going to probably see my, okay, when I streamed last, but yeah, I do have a loyalty system. As I said before, Twitch offers a little bit more features, so the loyalty system is in there. But this is essentially my tipping page, or yours if you want to create one. Right here, you would just click, bring up your stuff, and tip me or whoever the person is, etc. You can change the background right here, change the actual main avatar picture right here, and basically just says my rank. Click these. These are just your linked. This is my YouTube. This is my Twitter, which you'll be able to customize once you click on all this stuff. It'll automatically add it to profile. Then you got your revenue, so tipping settings. This will show you everything, and you can place it. This will show up on the page I just showed you guys. Add your PayPal here, and it's also pretty cool. You can add a donation panel to your YouTube channel. It'll give you your URL and all that. As you can see, page settings, design of the page, the tip panel setup, and also tip moderation. Very cool. So definitely check that out. Not a lot of places offer that. Revenue history just shows everything that's been done. You can search people's username, the dates, etc. that they were done. Add the tip if you want to do that for yourself, for whatever reason. Then down here we have bot. This is actually pretty cool. Again, with Twitch, it has a lot more modules, but you have 8-ball, Twitter, and chat alerts, so you can play the 8-ball game, Ask the Magic 8-ball. I'm sure everyone knows that streams, at least. You can actually see stream tweets in real time to whatever channels. I have mine in StreamElements channel, so if they tweet, it actually comes up in my chat. Well, excuse me, retweets from them. I can also see replies, whoever you add, see arguments to do so, and chat alerts. So someone subscribes, etc., and so forth. Essentially, the alerts, it shows it. I'm sure you guys have seen the help section down here. Chat commands. So what you can do is default commands. You actually edit these. Click on actions. See, you can do it to your offline or online or both, so you can still play the games, etc., and so forth when you're offline. So I'll show you everything what the moderators are able to do, all the variables, so you can set up your own custom chat commands. I don't use them that much, to be honest, because I'm not that big of a streamer, so there's no need for me to, but it's a very good place to find out also their knowledge base and their Discord server. Spam filters, pretty cool. You can actually do it essentially automated up here, so it filters off minor spam. If I click that, you can see down there it says successfully saved. Balanced, or if I go to strict, everything's turned on. Or you can just go into each one and customize it yourself. The duration, want to exclude no one, your subs, VIPs, etc., and so forth. And finally, you have timers. So I don't have any currently. So for instance, if you want your social media, your Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, anything to pop up after 10 minutes, or for instance, you can add it so, and you can do it to your offline. So do that and online, or you can do it so it is active. Basically, it'll do it every chat line. So it says 5. So after every 5 lines, it'll activate. So for instance, if you have a slower stream, the chat is not active, you don't want it bombarding your stream. If you have it set to like 5 minutes, you can just bump up the chat lines. That way, chat's been a little bit more active before it is displayed. So it's very cool. A lot of neat stuff that they're adding, continuing to add to YouTube, because again, Twitch was originally the only one supported. And with Twitch, they have a section for media requests, loyalty, leaderboards, basically a lot more stuff pertaining to actual streaming. Again, not that big of a streamer, and if I do stream, I'm on YouTube. But I appreciate you guys checking this out. Hope you guys like it. I will leave a link in the description to the website, StreamElements.com. Not hard to remember, but just in case. And to their Discord server. So if you guys want to check them out, I would highly do so. They're very helpful, very great people, very knowledgeable. So thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys later.